Okay, so today on the Fitbit Charge 2 we're going to change the bottom and the top section. So the complete band, the green one here, for the purple band we're going to change them. So just move that out of the way. So the first thing we're going to do is to take the bands, the green bands off. So if you turn your Fitbit Charge 2 over, and as you can see here, you've got two metal release buttons, as I call them here. Okay, so we're going to work through these one by one. So the first one, if you take the Fitbit Charge 2, the top part of the band in your left hand, and then support the face and the bottom half of the band in the right hand, push down with your nail on this release button here. So you push down on it and it's sort of to the left slightly, and as you're doing that, if you push the top section of the watch band down and pull the clock face up towards you, and they will come apart like so. And then it's a case of repeating it again. So watch strap in left hand, the watch face section in the right hand, nail onto the release button, push left and down, and as you're doing that, push the watch strap away from you and the clock face, pull that up towards you. Okay, and as you can see there, you've now got the watch, just the watch face remaining, ready for the new bands. So if you grab the new bands, and just a important point to note here, on the left hand side you've got the button, and this sort of sits on the wrist on the left side with the top part of the band going over the wrist. So just always good to match them up, because it's easy to put them on the wrong way around. So when you're putting them back together, it's just a case of literally matching the watch face up into the channel of the strap, and when they're sort of, you're happy they're lined up, basically push down on the watch face and pull up on the watch strap, and as you see that, you'll see the release button move out slightly and then click into place. And then it's a case of just repeating it for the bottom half of the section of the band. So again, match them up, pull the strap towards you and push the watch face down gently, and you'll wait for it to click. Don't forget to give this video a like if it helped you today. It'd also be great to hear from you if you're changing your band, whether it's because it's damaged or you fancy a change, for example. Just let me know in the description below. It's always great to get feedback from people. Be much appreciated. You can also check out our other Fitbit videos, links appearing on screen now. But many thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.